severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Union County in south-central Iowa, southeastern Adams County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Ringgold County in south-central Iowa, Taylor County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Adair County in southwestern Iowa, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Villisca to 6 miles east of Clarinda to near Bradaville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Creston, Corning, Bedford, Lenox, Green Valley Lake, New Market, Orient, Clearfield, Diagonal, Prescott, Gravity, Cromwell, Sharpsburg, Shannon City, Kent, Conway, Lake of Three Fires State Park, Creston Municipal Airport, Corning Municipal Airport, and Green Valley Lake State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Adams, Ringgold, Taylor, and Union.